Hi everyone. In the last video, I talked about the 7 steps to create a website for your business. It is part of the Business 101 series, and in that video, the 7th step was to keep creating content. But that is not all you need to do. You need to create awareness of your new website. And today in this video, I will share with you 8 ways to promote your website to increase awareness. This is part of the Business 101 series. I created this series to help you learn how to start and grow an online business. So, if you would like to be updated whenever I upload a new video, remember to subscribe. Whenever I create a new website, whether for myself or for my client, I find the biggest challenge is to get traffic to the website. After all, traffic is like the lifeblood of a business. Without it, there is no one to buy the products or services. To get traffic, you need to promote your website, to create awareness of it. On the World Wide Web, according to Internet Live stats, there are over 1.8 billion websites on the World Wide Web as of 15 April 2021. And this number is increasing daily. As such, you need to make sure that people know your website exists. And in order to do that, you need to promote your website and drive traffic to it. The goal is to convert the traffic into sales. In the past, before the internet, promotions and advertising were done offline. That is in the newspapers, magazines, TV ads, etc. And then came the internet. And businesses started promoting and advertising online. And today it's done with a variety of methods, such as SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization, social media marketing, video marketing, content marketing, email marketing, and many other ways. All that I've mentioned so far are forms of digital marketing. They are strategies to promote a business, product, or service online to the audience on the internet. There are many digital marketing techniques to promote your website and create awareness. Today, I will share with you 8 of my favorites. I'm sure many of you have used search engines like Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, etc. And you use it to find information or research about a product or service that you intend to buy. Do you notice that you often click on the search results that are on the first pages? You are not the only one. According to a study by Chitika, 91.5% of people choose websites that are on the first pages of search results. This is why it is vital to have your website or web pages rank high on search results. And to get you there, you have to do SEO, which I've mentioned before is search engine optimization. It requires you to do keyword research, apply the keywords strategically on your web pages, image SEO, off-page mentions, backlinks, and many more SEO tactics. Do take note that it takes time to get ranked high on the search results, and even more time and effort to reach the first page of search results. But it's not impossible. I have many of my web pages on first page of Google. Just keep doing SEO and you will be rewarded. I will be creating more video lessons with details about SEO in the future. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell notification button to get updates. Remember in the previous video I mentioned about creating content for your website? This is definitely one of the best ways to promote your online business. And it is also because search engines like Google love fresh content. With a blog, you can upload blog posts regularly, and Google will see this as new and fresh content. And when it is of quality and relevance to a search query, they will place it on their search results. So blogging is another way to promote your website. But before you go off and start to just create any content, I need you to know that you need to do keyword research first before you create the blog post. This is because you need to know what keywords researchers are using, and also if many people are using the keyword. If there are, this is potential traffic to your web pages. There are steps to do effective keyword research so that you can find the best keywords for your blog posts. Social media is also a great place to share about your website and online business. There are many social media platforms today, such as Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and more. While your goal is to promote your website and online business, be careful not to spam. Be a part of the community, engage and network with people there. Ask questions and provide answers too. Be helpful. Share useful information. This is where the content you created on your website can come in. Whenever relevant, share your content. You can then convert your fans or followers into customers. So, are you struggling with social media marketing? You can learn from experienced internet marketers at the learning resource that I use too. Video is the future. I have always said that, and today it has been proven to be true. As such, it is important for you to do video marketing. There are many reasons that people enjoy videos. For one, they are easy to consume. They appeal to the senses and tugs at the heartstrings. The information communicated is bite-sized and can quickly bring across the important message to the audience. Also, videos are outperforming any other forms of content. In a study by Device Research, it was found that 92% of all mobile video viewers share the videos with others. This can also further your reach and expand the awareness of your business. Videos are also known to have higher engagement and conversions. Wise Owl, in a 2020 report, found out that 89% of video marketers say video gives them a good ROI, and 87% of video marketers say video has increased traffic to their website. Also, 80% of video marketers say video has directly helped increase sales. So this is why I started to create this channel and produce videos too. And also, videos can improve SEO. Google owns YouTube. So naturally, including YouTube videos on your landing page or your web pages will help boost your Google ranking. A research by Forrester Research said that when you have video on your web page, the chances of it getting to the first page increases by 50%. So don't hesitate. Start a YouTube channel now. I was actually very camera shy. It took a long time and much encouragement from my mentors and friends before I finally started recording videos and posting them here. So, if you are like me, overcome your shyness. You must start somewhere. Plus, remember that this is all for your business to grow and succeed. Another group of platforms that you can use to promote is the Q&A sites. These are Quora, Yahoo Answers, Ask.fm, Answers, etc. Just like for social media, remember not to spam. Be sincere in helping people get answers. Find questions that are relevant to your niche and then provide quality answers. And you can leave a link to your webpage, website, or YouTube video or channel as part of the answer or in the signature blog. For example, here is someone asking about food in Singapore. I provided the answer and a nice photo of yummy chicken rice in Singapore. And as you can see, I left a link to my webpage about food in Singapore on my travel website. This is actually not my favorite way of promoting, but I decided to add it because there are those who have had success with it. The reason why I don't do this, and also why it's not my favorite, is because it is a lot of time and effort for very little returns. Just a backlink. Well, the backlink does help with adding some SEO juice to your website though, so you can give it a try. And how guest blogging is done is to write to websites. Choose those that are in your niche. Ask them if they would like to have you as a guest blogger. You can offer to write about a topic that is within the niche, a topic that they have not yet written about. And make sure you ask if you can leave a link to your website in the author box. If you choose this way of promoting your website, remember to read the terms and conditions carefully. Make sure they are all right for you. I won't talk much about this method of promoting your website, but if you'd like me to give more information about this, leave a comment below and let me know. Email marketing is one of the most powerful digital marketing strategies today. It can lead to success for your online business, but it is not easy to do. Technically, the concept is clear. When visitors drop by your website, you ask them to join your mailing list. This is so that you can capture their contact information, usually just their name and email addresses. And you can build a relationship with them by emailing them, updating them, and of course, eventually to sell them products to get sales and revenue. Sounds straightforward, doesn't it? So, why do I say it is not easy to do? Well, if you look at the process, there is a vital part of it that needs to happen before you can build your email list. And that is to get traffic to your website. Without traffic, or with little traffic, building a huge list can be difficult. So what many entrepreneurs do is to create a free resource, a gift, or even a free tool. They offer it in exchange for the name and email address of a subscriber. The free gift, tool, or resource must be something that people really want. If not, then it is back to square one, where you don't get enough or not any sign up at all. If you do succeed in getting many subscribers, your email list becomes a valuable asset for your business. You can nurture a relationship with your subscribers. Over time, you gain trust and authority with them. And then you encourage them to buy products or services. Eventually, with good relations with your subscribers, they can become your loyal customers and even your advocates. I'm sure you must have seen online ads as you travel across the World Wide Web. Many of these are what is termed as pay-per-click advertising, also known as PPC advertising. It is an online advertising model in which advertisers pay each time a user clicks on one of their online ads. There are search advertising like Google ads and Microsoft ads. There are also ads that can appear on social media like Facebook ads or Pinterest ads. This is surely an effective way to promote your website and your online business, but it is also costly. This is because it is an auction system, and you can end up paying a lot for your clicks but not getting enough sales to cover your costs. This can especially happen when your brand is not well known or trusted yet. Or if you are selling private label products, then your product will be often seen as similar to other brands that are selling the same thing. As such, people may get to know of the product from your online ad, but still shop around and buy from the competitor. Also, I have long suspected that online ads do not really work that well. And in February 2021, an article by Michael Brenner seemed to agree with me. In that article, he wrote that brands like P&G, Chase Bank, and Uber slashed their ad budgets during the pandemic and saw exactly zero impact on their sales revenue. And also, quote, 20 to 40% of the clicks on paid ads are fraudulent, end quote, from the article. I have suspected the latter for a long time now. In the past, there were many reports about ad click fraud, that there are people just clicking on ads to cause businesses to pay lots of money for online ads with low returns. So what does this mean for you? My advice is not to do PPC advertising for the time being, especially when you're just starting out, or if you have a small budget, or both. Consider this promotion technique later when you have more money to spend. And even then, take small steps. Do tests to see if this is a good and profitable option for your business. Meanwhile, consider the above free or low-cost ways that I've mentioned earlier to promote your business. Also, focus on helping people instead of running ads to hard sell. Build relationships, build trust, build authority. There are many more ways to promote your website. The above 8 that I've mentioned are a good starting point. I would suggest pick 1 or 2 and master them. I look forward to your success.